Hello everyone and welcome to our lesson today. Today we are going to learn about shapes, but the big title is tangrams. By the way, this is on page 30 on your Supermind book, on page 30. Okay, you might ask question, teacher, what is tangrams? Tangram is actually an old Chinese toy which consists of 7 different shapes. It looks like a game, a toy, Chinese old toy where they use different shapes to make uh, something. For example, the shape of rabbit, the shape of kite. Okay, but today we are going to focus on the shapes. Okay, let's read the instruction first. Okay, listen and look at the shapes. Can you see them in your classroom? Right, the first shape is triangle. One more time, triangle. Okay, triangle like the shape of your house, is it? Yeah, the roof of your house. The next shape is square. One more time, square. And it looks like your dice, maybe? Or maybe it looks like your cake, birthday cake. Move on to the third shape, which is circle. Circle looks like the shape of a ball, right? Next one, this will be a little bit mouthful, a little bit hard to pronounce, but it's okay. The shape for number 4 is parallel, parallelogram, parallelogram. Okay, this shape, these two sides has the same length, sama panjang, over here, here and here, and this side and this side also have the same length, sama panjang juga. Later I will show you a few picture that has the shape of parallelogram. And last shape is rectangle. Rectangle. This one looks like your ang pao, maybe hong pao. Is it? Alright, let me show you my slides about the shapes. The first one is triangle. Okay, before that, square, circle, parallelogram, and last one is rectangle. Right, let me show you a few examples, starting from here. The hanger, it has the shape of triangle. The signboard, papan tanda, triangle, triangle. Next one, see the mosaic in the toilet maybe, or in the kitchen, the mosaic. Oh, the watermelon also has the shape of square. And the clock, this is square. How do you spell square? SQUARE. Next shape is, okay, this is the wheel and the tire. Ooh, pizzas. Next one, okay, the Ferris wheel, which is circle. Yes, circle. CIRCLE. Next one. This shape looks familiar. Oh, ka-ching ka-ching. This is the shape of rectangle. Rectangle. How do you spell? RECTANGLE. Last but not least, okay, this might be the wallpaper. This is some building in the world. Looks familiar, the shape. This one, the parking space. Sometimes they use this shape, but don't park over here. And some eraser has the shape of parallelogram. How do you spell? Oh, this might be long. Yes. Oh my. So many letters. Alright. So, your homework for today is very simple. Okay, but before showing you the homework, I need to show you the sentence structure. Ayat yang kamu akan belajar ataupun akan bina pada hari ini. The sentence structure that you are going to learn and you have to write today. My which is your thing, benda, okay? Benda is a which is the shape. There are 5 shapes. It means bermaksud kamu akan tulis 5 ayat because we have learned 5 shapes. And after you finish writing, don't forget to write full stop. Full stop. Okay, let's take an example of a piece of cake, but it has some familiar shape. So, an example in your exercise book will be what is this? My cake, the thing, okay? Benda. The cake, my cake, follow over here, ikut di sini, is a, can you tell me the shape? Yes, triangle. And my cake is a triangle. So the thing, benda ini, you can search anything in your house, or maybe that you remember in your classroom, or maybe in your house. Yes, better. Benda-benda yang kamu dapat fikir atau lihat di rumah, this thing, you can write on over here. Boleh tulis di sini. And you have to write down the shape. And after you finishing writing, please put the full stop. And that is your homework. Write down the sentences by using things. Gunakan benda in your house as example, sebagai contoh of shapes on your exercise book. So why don't you take out your exercise book, new page. In the blue box, please write down your the date for today, 16th of April, and today is Thursday. The topic will be shapes. SHAPES. So there will be 5 sentences. Number 1. What was it just now? Oh, the cake. My cake is a triangle. Done. So, but this space, please leave it empty. You start number 2 over here. Alright? Let me erase this one. So the next sentence will be the same. My is a... What is the shape just now that we have learned? Number 1 will be triangle. We have done this. Sudah siap. Next one. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. So that's your task or your homework. You have to find something or anything that has the shape of square, mempunyai bentuk segi empat sama. So what are they? I'll leave it to you. Okay, so you have to search, look around your house. I hope you can find those shapes. Remember, number 1, number 2, number 3, and until number 5. And that's all for today. I hope you can finish. All the best. And thank you, class.